If your RV is not equipped with a surge guard protector, I recommend you purchase one. This is the surge guard RV protection. It works great because this will help isolate any problems that could exist from a voltage spike or current loss and back on of power, which will save the appliances inside your RV. Also, when you get to a new campground and you're gonna go plug your plug in, a lot of times you have a bad outlet here, but you won't know it. You'll go in your RV, maybe one of two ACs will work, one of the appliances might not work, and it's not a problem because of the RV, but it's because of your power source, because you have one leg that's not working. So once you plug this in, 3 lights will illuminate on the top, letting you know that this power plug is working properly. Should it not be working, one of the lights or 2 of the lights will go out. You can follow the diagram down below, and it's going to identify what the problem is, so you can let the office know at the campground so they can either fix this plug or move you to a new site. So it's going to stop a lot of your hassle of you going into your RV not knowing what the real cause is. So this is a great thing to have.